I'm tired. Fuck it. Yeah, fuck. Y'all making me sick, thinking about this shit. Y'all ain't doing nothing but taking it to bank, but I'm telling y'all this shit. Open your eyes and just think everything into your soul. Watch this shit that is gold. I'm trying to give you a piece of the motherfucking hustle, but nobody wanna go ahead and do the tussle. And if you ever wake your ass up and see what's in front of your face, you see this shit is just so great. I say I can keep this shit off the side of the road and still get it. And never slow down the motherfucker hustle with it. But still that you talking, still that you walking, talking about you need help and here between fucking, doing nothing for yourself. So I'ma tell her if I couldn't help you couldn't really help nobody else. Nah, fuck that. Y'all niggas sick. Watch this motherfucker do. Y'all niggas ain't helping yourself, so watch it, I help you. You motherfuckers acting like you're handicapped, we really knew. But then look at the real things of it. When you really wanna smoke, what you do, you go and hustle. Just for that second, just for that tick-tock blunt. You know when you go and smoke it away, such. I say, man, don't slow it on down, just keep it moving. Keep the hustle going on out. I say hustle to the end. I say Wednesday stop. But nah, man, Wednesday hump day, so go ahead and walk. I make the people look at me like they don't know what. I have look fucked up as the old look, but look where it sucks. I'ma show you how I can't stop this hustle thing. Make that niggas look like you about to drop your brain. The track in. Track in. Look. Drop his ass on the ground, say scrub it. Yeah, he was cause he wasn't dummy and I knew it. Yeah, that boy couldn't hustle nothing going to it, but if it was for his life, maybe he can ruin it. Yeah, bring a trick up her sleeve, I say a trick out his hat. I say watch him big and please, cause he's gonna get that. I just a diamond for him one at a time. He's a clever man, I pull hustles, I know a hustle. But look for here, I gotta hustle hard, never slow my shit down, never take down my guard, got y'all niggas looking like this shit is about to blink. But look at here, if you close your eyes, you might lose a weaker. This shit, that shit, watch what I'm doing. Flip like that motherfucker, watch how I'm coming moving. I say I don't give a fuck what it is, I'm not no shyster, but still I mean I am a salesman, that's right. I say, Lord, gave me the blessings to do it. So when I came, I got you niggas looking like you fools. Yeah, you fools. But look at here, you like, skills yours and make y'all feel like y'all's about to drop and do it. Stop that nigga ball. But watch it get soft. The nigga never knew. I'ma rock it off. I still got him look. Them niggas wonder now. I fucking shit goes. But it's going all down. Never switch and flop this shit. Watch y'all niggas watch this bitch. But y'all ain't doing shit yet. I gotta warn you, make you feel like that's that. Them hoes look at me, wonder how I'ma do this shit, but still I ain't the motherfucking start though. Watch me be, I'm knocking at the door. She come and look at me, one head from head to toe. I think she trying to jump me. I'ma say it's all cool. Go ahead and make her racist. I'ma gonna sit back, go ahead and take the racing. I love it when she gone and John pull me back. Throw me on the bed and tell me just no slow that. I gonna pull her close. She just throw my hands back into relaxation. So I'ma do the same, lay back on the bed like I ain't got shit to do today. Go ahead and let her pull everything off me to say. If I can't slow it up, watch me go and blow it up. I'ma tell the girl I love everything, just throw it up. Clothes all over the ground. Talking about you getting down. Tell me that you do this shit like this and she gonna show me now. Wipe her shit down the best. I'm trying to go and figure out, but this shit is best. Testing mine just right now. I ain't gonna run out of space. I tell you run out of taste. I go ahead and look at the finest one. Watch my waist. Slim shape, yes sir. I like the long hair. Natural is the way for now, but too many of them so fake for high. I love Nick. Love the words she say. But when I see these girls kind of play her way, they still fucking up. Wisdom look right on every girl, so go ahead, throw that shit aside, watch that curl. Cause if you do the natural, make it feel so natural, I make it feel so fuckable, make it feel like suckable. Now you think you doing this, but man, I got to ruin this. Make your ass feel like I just make you feel through this. I pull her down, make her gonna break her down, come and break her back out. Yeah, I find a tapper now. Later on the floor for sure. I ain't really do it. She got down on her own and I let her go in the snow to know. It's the rest of the night. And in the morning, right? Wake up and tell her it was good, don't you know it, right? I'ma feel so good when every day I see the hood, I smile at her, tell her, baby girl, come back and play with her. This shit is all that. I'm telling y'all niggas, y'all ain't seen shit yet. Because as the beat rock, got y'all niggas sheet rock. I'm about to lay this motherfucking paper down for you. Y'all don't think so? But I'ma show you so. Y'all niggas thinking about it, but it's all real, yo. I say it was like the confession, but I wanna be successful, so watch how I wet you. I'ma say the water hose will make you feel like everything's going through your mind and make that shit for your frames. Because I think that all y'all are vampires trying to suck me out dry. And I'ma tell y'all, I gotta start charging y'all for all you ask me. Talking about I feel like therapy. I feel like I was supposed to be a therapist. I ain't go to shit for school. I ain't go to do new. I'm about to show y'all how I gonna do you. Still let you open up my brain and go and pick it like your motherfucking apes can't get nothing out the kitchen. But still yet, y'all all trying to get lickings. I ain't trying to be that motherfucker y'all licking. So go ahead, kick with the tick on top. I say time is money and yeah, it really don't stop. So bring it back to me. And I'ma still play that motherfucking musical chairs and watch it work it. But I'ma still do my same things to do because I gotta do my duty because that's how I do it. And yeah, I get it how it live. I switch the hustle, but still, this shit'll make you feel. Talking about peel your lid back, open up that. And yeah, I empty the game right up in your hat. Make y'all feel just like nothing's just not whack. I feel like I'm teaching Tebow just that. Got him back on it, talking about his time. That nigga been out mother barker and I'ma mind. Make his mind his mouth with my fists and tell him. Shut that shit up, I told you. Don't start the wedding. You doing the wrong thing now. You get loud how. I tell you, boy, you better watch yourself. Loud how. You shitted on the floor, and so I beat you. So let you know you do it again. I might have to kill you. So, cause it's wrong. I told you house train, but when you fuck up, I lose all of my brains and start to acting like an old wild grain. Talking about blue daisy, but watch I gain. People thinking that I was a pit bull too, fighting back to back like he was a human. Watch how I do. I give him left, right, left hook. Watch that right hook, the dude shook. I'm a D knock him look. Yeah, I show that nigga just that. I can knock him down. Thought I was Tyson when I bat. They thought I was Ray Charles when I sang that line. Watch I pick him just apart. Yeah, I was trying to tell the girls that I ain't a hoe, that I'm just a man doing this shit. They're trying to S-curl the land. I change this, but just in the dance because my motherfucking bloodline said I was not that hoe, but I'm polyamorous. Yeah, y'all wonder what the fuck it be. Black people ain't never heard of it, but I heard it, see. I have to get electrical. Go ahead and move it. They say you need my white friends, so why don't I do it? Yeah, and stay they all cool. Y'all niggas looking at me like I lost my Marvin too, but I ain't lose shit now. I ain't lose shit yet, and I ain't about to go ahead and lose shit in the day because y'all niggas better open up your minds and dig a grave. Cause I'm telling you, you're digging that hole for shame. Because your fuck face ain't did it yet, thinking about me, but I'm gonna change just that. Shut your niggas up, show us all over. But y'all ain't seen that shit. Watch how I shoulder push you off the edge, make you feel like shit ain't going your way, so you might push back the edge. Yes, sir. Talking about your fucked up cut, you should have seen E, but now he's gone so sad. I say R.I.P. my cousin E. Eric Lee Peoples, y'all know how the nigga be. Ron Lee was his daddy, but still we running, see. That nigga was a running nigga on the bike, see. I never slow it down for him. Talking about get it, cause I got it on the bike and yeah, I pulled every woman with it. And yeah, he said he loved every girl and just wanna fuck all those girls. And then I switch it on up, got you feeling like this shit can't close no muck. So I throw up that motherfucking sign, get that shit on your mind and watch you niggas do this grind. Shut it all up. Watch I tap it on, make y'all niggas feel like you niggas can't get on. Talking about that zone to make it flip your mind, and then y'all thought y'all was doing the shit to flip that time. But slow it up, I wipe my mouth.
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year.
Who the fuck are y'all?
I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing?
Okay, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over. It's my turn. Okay, it's far from over. It's just starting. Said I did it at the first, testing at the heart. And yes, in the school I did that just for joy. So candy for the other kids to get their heart so hard. I say feel it. Shandy Crow kill it. Talking about gritty, sweet tooth, and yeah, I mildewed it all over their face and show them how it was great. But when I did it as a grown man, it's so wait. And then they look at me like this ain't one stop shop. Got them looking like it's great. But look at how they drop their mouths to the flow tones. And talking about, I tell them don't slobber on the floor because I don't want none of the cleanup. It's extra cash to your pocket. Say I gotta go charge you for the own sloppy. So watch yourself and pick your chin up and talk about this, but you ain't seen shit.
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'm do till it's over. Till it's over.
This a little piece. Check this out, cousin. Look, I do this to show my sisters, baby daddies, that they can't do, but what they need to do. Stack up to the plate for show and let them niggas know they ain't doing shit on you because you got the hustle go. I say hustle go because the game never stops. Always on the go, gotta make that money for sure. Walk. I say my kids gotta eat. Time I dig the motherfucking grind for under my nails, watch me. I'ma make it look like I'm all hard, also working. But yeah, I do this shit, so also you all twerking. Try to bring the cheddar back to daddy like that. I say my kid gotta eat, so nigga don't play with that. My motherfucking kid do them up and heal on that. I show you how we get duggy on your ass so fresh. And y'all ain't seen Duty yet, but watch this test. The next video I have him on it and I show y'all rest.
I know way too many people here right now that I didn't know last year. Who the fuck are y'all? I swear it feels like the last few nights. We've been everywhere and back, but I just can't remember it all. What am I doing? What am I doing? Okay, that's right, I'm doing me. I'm doing me. I'm living life right now, man. And this what I'ma do till it's over. Till it's over.
It's far from over. I'ma love every girl when it comes down to it until it's over. Because I say these girls love me too. And yeah, it is my duty just to do what I do. I make them all smile from ear to ear. And they wonder why I do it. Cause it be my soul to make them feel like I'm feeling good. To make them feel like they can't feel good in the hood. But I gotta change the fact. Walking to JR Sack, I say JR's crib and just make you feel like everything's kosher. Everybody wants to chill. Because that sight is what you never endure. I say girls look like she wanna sleep here, but still I wake her up, tell baby girl the fantasy's over, go home and get the real story. I'ma say this shit is just like real curry. Curry chicken make you feel like you're from Jamaica here. And yes, I tell that shit, but still keep it quiet. Little Jamaica didn't really exist. Oh, wire your mouth shut and say if you go and leak it, it might get your motherfucking shot, but so seek it. I say seek it on another planet, because if you're thinking I did it and you managed, talking about lost your brain.